even though say your players, we haven't been together for a long time, but they have shown great commitment to Asante Kotoko. They have shown great commitment to the cause of us trying to get into the group stages of Champions League. Now, any media boys in here, so as management, a better supporters in Swasi. Because when we called upon them to come and support us, they came in their numbers. We had the crowd that we saw today. The supporters, and I know for a fact that now Nkofosro said twice, especially when now not too good a result in Obuasi Endra. Now I said the pressure cracked to supporters and so. But we spoke to the players. They knew that us at time. And I had said we have to qualify in Kumasi, and definitely your 9 Bakwa is a group stages. Akabakwa is a bad, definitely. But I couldn't get to see. The most important thing is that you win here any conceded. Because Etoile, not even a single goal on target. I mean, they couldn't even go beyond our midfield. And see, we just need to believe in ourselves. I have self-confidence. I mean, Kotoko, is this the first time you're not a team? Yashez Zamalek, AJ Champions League. Yashez Work of Morocco. They qualified ahead of Gaza El Mahala in 2002. So this is not the first time. I knew that they are at 12-4. And I knew that Yen consider go be our My simple answer to the coach of Etoile Sahel is that talk is cheap. And of course, I don't expect him to say otherwise. But this is Asante Kotoko. Kotoko is very experienced in Africa. And then he said, I can't say at least we'll get to the group stages of the tournament. And Tikakranka, work in progress. I've gotten the first result here, the second result to be achieved. Definitely, most definitely, Kotoko will qualify. Kotoko half year. Which means compare half year to Asante Kotoko. And we don't even want to think about it. Because the American, you will say between qualify. You will say they back to go so Etoile. So I share half year 7. So I call one goal or back when you half goal, but not even a half goal. At least even if the referee had even been a bit smart in the first half, 2 clear penalties, we would have killed the game in the first half. But 2-0 on your back, you're fun is celebrating because there's a lot more work for us to do. But Kakra, they will review the performance today. The whole be an anchor, maybe I say improving. Second league game.